Okay, so what we learned from our little cross-section ninja friends is that a cross-section is a shape formed when a plane parallel to the basis intersects a solid. That's technically the definition. You can think of the cross-section as a very thin slice of a solid. So like on this stick of butter here, the cross-section would be this square right here. It's basically this shape, like if you were going to break this apart and show the two ends of the stick of butter where you sliced it in half, it's what is the shape on the end of that slice. So like if you were going to slice this triangular prism right here, it would be this triangle would be, so this would be a square and this would be a triangle for the cross section. So on this guy, now we're getting into something more complicated, because if you were to slice this triangular prism, if you were to slice it horizontally, then notice that this cross section is no longer a triangle. If I were to slice it vertically, as in the next one, it would be a triangle, but if I slice it horizontally, I get a different result. I hope you're thinking about how this is really like a rectangle and that this is a triangle. And then again, if I cut it diagonally, I get even a different result. So you might still say it's a rectangle. Maybe some of you might say it's a parallelogram. Either way, I could take either answer. It's debatable. So by the way, the key word for today's lesson is going to be ninja. So if you'll make sure and you put the word ninja at the bottom of your homework, or if you, I'll give you an opportunity to share that word with me. I'll make sure you get points for watching today's videos. So here's the you try. Give your best guess as to what you think these cross sections are. Pause the video, you try, and then come back. Okay, and so this first one is square, or rectangle, so it's fine. This next one's really tricky to see in 3-dimension. I like to think of this as like a Kleenex box is kind of what it looks like to me. And what they've done is they've sliced off the corner of that Kleenex box. And so that does indeed make a triangle cross section. And then this last one I would take rectangle or parallelogram, either one. Alright, and that's it for this section of notes, guys. I'll see you in the next unit.